My name is Robert Kempenick. I'm the General Manager of Minnesota Valley Irrigation, located in Wadena, Minnesota. We also have a branch in Bismarck, North Dakota. We're the local Valley dealer and have been the local dealer for 29 years. Minnesota Valley is a full-service irrigation provider for farmers, ranchers, small homeowners that have small plots. We do everything but drill wells. We do pumping equipment. We do all the electrical needs for them. We also have a full-service electrical contracting business. We do a lot of work on potato warehouses, irrigation systems. Everybody's trying to do more with less. On the farming side, they're trying to farm more ground with bigger equipment, but they have less people to do it. You know, this stuff is all very technical and very complicated. A lot of these guys don't have the time or the expertise to fix it. What we do, we provide those services. Some of them we can do remotely. Some of them we send techs out to do. We specialize in a lot of technology things that have brought the advancement of the irrigation industry to where we are today. Water conservation has been a main concern of ours basically for the last 25 years. We're looking at different technologies all the time and ways to conserve water. You know, we get a shower of rain and it rains enough that the crop doesn't need more. They're turning them off from their kitchen table instead of having to drive out there in the middle of the night. So they're turning them off instantaneously. By doing that, they're just saving more water. You know, we're also putting some of the chemicals through the system now through a variable rate system. So we're protecting the groundwater that way by not putting it in the low spots and only where we need it.
For all your irrigation equipment, services, parts, and technology, contact MVIwater.com today.